Learnovate and the IITD worked together on solving this problem that L&D had identified. The problem they identified and wanted sorted out was this whole idea of how did they show the business value, and the word business is important there, to the C-suite and the upper management team. In looking at the problem, we identified that actually traditionally L&D measures learning development and is not as comfortable in the space of showing the business value. To that end, after our research, we formalized and hypothesized a model called PEAS. And PEAS stands for Plan, Explore, Analyze and Share. And we have specific tools and tricks that we believe we can work with L&D on in there in helping them to do what is actually a distinct activity to learner development. So, moving on, we're actually going to work with 2 companies in developing on how to model, test it, hypothesize it, iterate and co-create it. Spirit of innovation. So we're really looking forward to developing these tools out to support L&D, show the value of what we know they've been doing for years.